Hi everyone, my name is Zhang. Today I will talk about how did my cat die. This is not a sad story or something like that, so just listen. I used to have a cat but it's dead. There was an accident. It happened right after lunchtime. By then I had finished eating and prepared to feed the cat. But when I got up, I didn't notice and stepped on the lion cat. I fell backward. The cat panicked and ran behind me. I fell on its head. Soon the cat has confusion and writhed in quite a bit of pain. It started to shock around, blood gushing from its nose and rushing to everywhere. It lay for a while and then stopped breathing. I was a bit shocked, but after that it was okay. At the moment, I felt like I had just lost something important. So, it is the end. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.